Hi there, fashion lovers. Welcome back to my channel, Fashion Design, where we dive into the coolest trends and the best fashion tips to keep you looking fabulous. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss out on our latest video. Today's we are focus on something super exciting, sleek bodycon dresses that are trending right now and why they so amazing. So let's get started. Bodycon dresses are seriously one of the hottest trends right now, and for good reason. They sleek, stylish, and super flattering whether you are headed to a party, a special event, or just want to look chic. A bodycon dress is a fantastic choice, but what exactly make these dresses so special? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the fit. The bodycon dress is now for its close fitting designs that hugs your body in all the right place. This styles your natural shape and gives you a smooth, streamlined look. It's perfect for showing off your styles and confidence. One of the best things about bodycon dresses is the variety of fabric you can choose from. You can for a classic smooth fabrics like or a more luxuries with look with velvet. Each fabric brings its own unique style to the dress. For a fun twist, some bodycon dresses even have added sparkle or intricate patterns. Look at these different options. We have got everything from sleek dress, shiny materials to texture fabric with beautiful patterns. You can find a bodycon dress that match your personal style perfectly, whether you like a simple elegant look or something with a bit more flair. There's definitely a bodycon dress out there for you. And let's not forget about colors. Bodycon dresses come in so many colors. From classic black to vibrant reds and blues, you can choose a color that suits your mood on the occasion. Bright colors are great for making a blood statement, while natural tones are perfect for a more understand elegant look. When it comes to choosing the right bodycon dress, think about what makes you feel confident and comfortable. The great thing about these styles is that it's so versatile. You can dress it up with heel and accessories for a formal event, or keep it casual with some cute flats for a more relaxed look. Here are some fun ways to style your bodycon dress. Add a statement necklace or some sparkly earrings from a touch of glamour. Or pair your dress with a cool jacket or cardigan for a more laid back vibe. You can really play around with different look to find what work best for you. Accessories can make all the difference when it comes to styling your bodycon dress. Try adding a belt to cinch in your waist and create a more defined shape. And do not forget about shoes. High heels are always a great choice, but do not be afraid to mix things up with some stylish boots or flats. Now let's talk about where you can find these amazing attractive bodycon dresses. You can find them at many different stores, both online, in person. Big fashion retailers often have a wide selection, and there are also lots of boutique shops that offer unique and stylish options. Do not be afraid to explore different places to find the perfect dress for you. When shopping for a bodycon dress, keep an eye out for sales and special deals. Many stores offer discount, especially during seasonal sales, so you might find a great deal on the perfect dress. And remember, trying on different styles and size can help you find the dress that fits you just right. So there you have it, a complete guide to sleek bodycon dresses, from fit and fabric to colors and accessories. We have covered everything you need to now to rock this trend. I hope you are excited about bodycon dresses as I am. They are such a fantastic way to show off your style and feel confident and beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumb, share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button. If you have not already, we have so many fashion tips and trade update coming your way, and you will not want to miss out. So now let's talk about where you can find these amazing bodycon dresses. You can find them at many different stores, and forget about shoes, high heels, and always a great choice. But do not be afraid, mix things up with some stylish boots or flats. Bodycon dresses are all about sleek, filtered styles that hug your body and show off your shape. That's are perfect for any occasions, whether you are going to a party, a special event, and or just want to feel extra fabulous. But what makes these dresses so popular? Let's explore. Bodycon dresses come in a variety of materials, and have we have some beautiful example. This sleek bodycon dresses. Polyester dresses is perfect for a night out with its smooth finish and comfortable fit. Over here, the velvet bodycon dress is perfect for a more look with its rich texture and slight shine. And this stained dress, it's all about that high fashion glam. Sleek bodycon dresses, most popular, trending 2024, and here are few examples of colors and patterns you might love. This vibrant red dress is green dress, purple dress, and black dress for making a statement at any events. The elegant black dress is a timeless choice, and this pattern one adds a fun twist to the classic style. You can mix and match to find what works best for you. The magic of a bodycon dress lies in its fit. The dress is designed to hug your body closely, creating a smooth straddle. It usually features a fitted bodies with help your waist and gives you a flattering shape. The skirt of the dress is also fitted, often tapering down to highlight your natural curves. Look at how his dress fit perfectly and highlights the model shape. This design ensures that the dress stay close to your body without being too tight, making it comfortable and stylish at the same time. It's all about the perfect balance between sleek and comfortable. So,